Okay, assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you have gone through the video links which I have sent you, and you have some, like a few students, I could say almost 10 to 15 students just send me the home task, others did not complete. So I request all the students to complete the task which I have given, also go through the videos of multiplication and division and try and understand. Also, I would like you to share any problems if you are facing. I would be very eager to solve your problems as well. If you face any problems, just send me a message. Lot of students have done that. I've tried to solve the problems and also give them the correct answers as well. So today we are going to start, as I said in my previous video, we will actually be going through the board questions. Alright, we will try to solve one or two board questions and try and understand. We'll actually use all the concepts which we learned, that is addition of fractions, multiplication, division of fractions. We'll try and use it in solving the board question problems. Okay, so if you don't know the basic, I would suggest you to go through my previous videos where I have discussed addition in separate video, subtraction in separate video, division and multiplication. Try and understand the basic first, then come to this video and check this video out so that you can have a better understanding. So just before I even start solving, first of all, what I need to discuss is, if you have a problem like 1 by 3 of 72. This I did not discuss maybe previously, so I'm just before even starting solving this board question problem, if you have 1 by 3 of 72, this sort of problem, remember that of means multiply. So 1 by 3 of 72 means 1 by 3 into 72. That is when you just try to reduce the fraction. 3 ones are 3, 3 24s are 72. So answer becomes 24 into 1 divided by 1, so it becomes 24. So whenever you see this word of, you need to understand that they are trying to mean 1 by 3 of 72 means 1 by 3 into 72. Okay, so whenever you see 1 by 2 of 36, you need to understand that this is half into 36. Okay, because in the board question which I am going to discuss, you will also, I will drag this issue over here as well. So please try and understand, when you see this word of, you need to understand that they are trying to say that we need to multiply. Alright, so let's start the board question first. So I have a question over here. Mr. Zaman, okay, he has 30,000 taka. He has 30,000 taka with him. He has spent his 1 by 4 part of money into school. So over here, if you see this word of, which I just talked about, okay, so Mr. Zaman has 30,000 taka. He has spent his 1 by 4 part of money. Which money? The money which he has, that is 30,000 taka. Please try and understand the question first. So he spent 1 by 4 part of 30,000 taka into school and donated 2 by 3 part into poor people. So 2 by 3 part also he donated. 2 by 3 part of which? This 30,000 taka. Okay, so he donated 1 by 4 part of his money to school and again donated 2 by 3 part of his money to poor people. This is the stem. Okay, now we have 3 questions, separate questions, which you need to solve. How much part of money did he donate in total? So what were the parts that he donated? 1 by 4 part, right, and 2 by 3 part. So it's very easy, just we can write solution. Part A, amount of money that Mr. Zaman donated in total equals to 1/4 plus, what is the part? 2/3 part. Okay, so 1/4 plus 2/3 part. So if we add them, first we need to do LCM. LCM of 4 and 3, you already know how to do it. 4 3 2 2 3. So all these are prime numbers, then we multiply all of them. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 is 12. So LCM is 12. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 into 1 3 plus 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. So that is 11/12 part. Okay, so this is our answer for the first part. So amount of money that Mr. Zaman donated in total is 1/4 plus 2/3 part, that is 3 plus 8/12, that is 11/12 part. So it's very easy, just the addition of these two fractions, 2/3 and 1/4. That's it. So next we move on to our second question, which was how much did he donate to the school? So how much did he donate to school? He has spent his 1/4 part of money into school. So 1/4 part of, when we see, so that means which money? 1/4 part of which money? 30,000 taka. Okay, so amount of money that he donated to the school should be 1/4 into which money? This money, 30,000. That's it. Very easy. So we can write amount of money that he donated into school equals to 1/4 into 30,000. So we just need to divide 30,000. We need to reduce this. Okay, so we can do it either ways. Just divide 30,000 by 4. So 4 sevens are 28. 2 comes as remainder, then 0 comes down. 4 fives are 20. And there are 2 zeros. These 2 zeros goes up. Okay. So what is the answer? 7,500. So we can write 7,000. 4 ones are 4. 4 into 7,500 equals to 30,000. So answer is 7,500 taka. Okay, this is my answer. Very simple. Last part. What is the question? After donating, how much money is left? So, first of all, we need to find out the part of money that he donated. So we already know in the first part, amount of money that the answer should be part of money, not amount of money. So part of money that Mr. Zaman donated in total equals to 11/12 part. So this part he actually donated, right? So but the question is, after donating, how much money was left? So first of all, we find out in total how much money did he donate. Then the total amount of money, that is he has 30,000 taka. So if from 30,000 I subtract the amount of money that he donated, then we get the answer, right? Because in total he had what, 30,000 taka. So 11/12 part of 30,000 taka he donated. So how much is remaining? That is what we need to find out. Okay, so there are two steps. So the first step is we need to find out how much he donated in total. So we can write amount of, first of all, from A we can write, from A we got 11/12 part. So from A we can write, from A part of total part of money he donated equals to 11/12 part. So now we can say amount of money he donated equals to this part into the amount, the total amount he had, that is 11/12 into 30,000. So 11/12 into 30,000. So we need to find this out. How? You can just divide. So we can just normally try to divide. Let's say 12 and 30,000. Let's see if we can first divide the whole thing with 12. So 12 2s are 24. Yeah, I think we can divide. So 10 minus 4 is 6. Then 0 comes down. 12 5s are 60. Then these two zeros goes up. Okay. So what is the answer? 2,500. So we can write 12 ones are 12. 12 into 2,500 equals to 30,000. Next, what we do, we just multiply 2,500 into 11, or 2,500 into 11. If we multiply this, what do we get? We get the amount as 27,500 taka. Just multiply 25 into 11, then put the zeros. These two zeros will be there. Just multiply 25 into 11, you get 275. Okay, very easy. So this is the amount of money that he donated in total. But the question was, after donating, how much money was left? So next we can write, so amount of money that was left equals to, so what did he have in the beginning? He had how much money? You already know, that is 30,000 taka. So how much money did he donate in total? 27,500 taka. So how much will be remaining? 30,000 minus 27,500. That's it. Very simple. So 30,000 minus 27,500. So once you subtract, what do you get? That is 2,500 taka. Okay, very simple. Okay, if you don't understand, you can ask me a question in personal WhatsApp, but that's very easy. I don't think there would be any question from your side. It's very easy. Just the first question was part of money. How much part of money did he donate in total? So you just add the total parts. 1/4 part of money he donated to school. 2/3 part he donated to poor people. So total part that he donated, that is 11/12 part. The next question is, how much money did he donate to the school? So he donated 1/4 part of money to the school. So which money? 30,000 taka. So 1/4 into 30,000 taka he donated to school. So that we got actually, how much did we get? 7,500 taka he donated to school. Next, the last question was how much money was left with him after donating. So we know that from A, the total part of money that he donated was 11 by 12. So amount of money he donated was what? This 11 by 12 into the total money which he had. So 11 by 12 into 30,000. Then we just normally reduce the fraction. 12 into 2,500 is 30,000. Then you multiply 25 with 11 to 275. Then these two zeros we put down. So it becomes 27,500 taka. So finally amount of money that was left equals to total amount that he had in the beginning, that is 30,000, minus the total amount that he donated in total, 27,500. So once you subtract, you get the amount that he had, that was with him. Okay, alright, so it's very easy. So next we will try to move on into another question. This actually came in the previous, this was also part of PEC 2018. So next also I will discuss another 2018 question. Okay, so here please try and understand. 1/6 portion of a bamboo is in mud, half portion is in water, and the remaining portion is above water. Now let us try to explain first. So let us say this is a bamboo. Okay, okay, mostly the students who have visited villages, you must have seen this, like in ponds. Whenever you go beside a pond, you must have seen a bamboo where it's dig into the pond. Okay, so when you dig a bamboo or a stick into a pond, what happens? Some part gets inside the mud, some part stays in the water, some part remains above water. So here also that's the same case. Suppose you have digged a bamboo into a pond. So what will happen? Because at the bottom of a pond there is mud. We all know that at the bottom of a pond there is always mud, right? So some part gets digged into the mud. Suppose this is the mud portion. Above mud there is water. Okay, so this is water portion, and some part remains above water. So this is the part which you can actually see from outside. You can see this part from outside. Alright, so this is how the scenario is. So now 1/6 portion of a bamboo is in mud. So this is the whole portion, right? We know that the whole portion is always considered as 1. The whole portion is 1 whole bamboo. So out of this one whole bamboo, 1/6 portion is in mud. Okay, next, what 1/2 portion is where? In water, and the remaining portion is above water. So the remaining portion, they have not mentioned how much portion is above water. So this is above water portion. 1/6 portion of the whole bamboo is in mud, 1/2 portion is in water, and the remaining portion is above water. So this is the question which is given. Okay, so the first portion now, the first question was what portion of the bamboo is in mud and water in total. So it's given already. 1/2 portion is in water, 1/6 portion is in mud. You just need to add both of them, right? So first part we can say portion of bamboo, that is in mud and water equals to, just add them, 1/2 plus 1/6, very easy. So this time I will not show you how to find out the LCM, you can yourself do it. So the LCM of 2 and 6 is 6. So 3 plus 1. So it's, you see, 4 by 6 part. 4 by 6 can be reduced. 2 2s are, 2 3s are. So 2 by 3 part. So 2 by 3 part of the bamboo is in mud and water in total. Okay, so we can just write 2 by 3 part. That is our answer. Alright, so the portion of bamboo that is in mud and water equals to, just add the portion 1 by 2 and 1 by 6. Next question, what portion of the bamboo is above water? Very easy. You see, the whole bamboo is what? One portion. So if you subtract from 1 these two portions, you get the portion above water, because this whole bamboo is one portion, right? The whole bamboo is one portion. So if you subtract from 1 these two together, which we already got in part A, that is 2 by 3, we can find the portion above water. Very easy. So let's find out. So we can write portion of water above, sorry, portion of bamboo, not water, sorry, portion of bamboo above water equals to, the whole portion was 1 and minus, what will I minus? Because you already in part A we already got the portion of bamboo that is in mud and water, so we already added both of them. What did we get? 2 by 3. So we can just write portion of bamboo above water equals to 1 minus 2 by 3, which we got from A part. So if we do LCM, we know that there is 1 over here, so 3 is the LCM. 3 divided by 1 is 3, 3 into 1 is 3, minus 3 we divide by 3 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2, so 1 by 3 part. So portion of bamboo that is above water is 1 by 3 part. Now the final question. So this is my answer. Final portion. Final question is, if the length of the bamboo above water is, they have also mentioned that if the length of, you see, if the length of the portion above water is 2 meters, what is the length of the bamboo? So very easy. So this portion is what? 2 meters. It's already mentioned. If the length of the portion above water